Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In our last video, we learned how you can assign macro code to a button for easy use of a macro code. Today we will learn how you can remove duplicates from a particular column. As you can see on my screen, I have the same table which we used in our last video, but this time I'm going to remove duplicates based on column D. So let's move quickly to VBA editor. Right, so I already have given the name. I'll start with the table range. So as you can see, the table is starting from B5 till D15. So I'll give that range in inverted commas, B5 to D15. Then I have to write remove duplicates. After that, you have to select the column based on which you want to remove duplicates. So you have to write columns, then colon, then is equal to, and because I want column D, so that is the third column in the table, right? So I'll write 3 here, then you have to write comma, then you have to mention whether header is included in the table or not. So in this case, yes, I have included the header in the range, which is row 5. So that's why I have mentioned it yes. If you keep range as B6 and D15 in this case, so you can then mention header as no, right? Okay, let's see how this works. So I'll press F8 for step run. So as you can see, all the duplicate entries are now removed from here. That's it for this video. I'll keep sharing more about VBAs in upcoming series, so please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.